Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we are checking out an awesome, I'm going to call this kind of a resto mod. 1968 Le Mans turned GTO, but 400 underneath the hood with dual quads, 5-speed manual transmission, cold air, just a sweet car, a lot of fun to drive. Upgraded radio. Just a really fun car.
It's a beautiful car. Like you said, even way more fun to drive.
So underneath the hood's a YS coated 400, Pontiac 400, which would be kind of the correct motor for a GTO. But they upgraded it with dual quads, added vintage air, power brakes, power steering, 5-speed manual.
Awesome car. And underneath of this is rock solid Dalton. Make sure you go on our website, guys, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the undercarriage of this one, but very solid underneath as well. Did a beautiful job on the paint. You can tell the paint was done, a few years ago, obviously, but when they did it, they took everything apart. The inner fenders were taken apart, painted. Hood was painted beautifully underneath. Same thing on the trunk and doors as well. So, with a 68 GTO, guys, you always want to make sure
Push back first. Because there's such a long hood where you have to kind of push back so you don't bend the hood. But beautiful, like vintage burgundy. Some nice metallic in there. One thing you're going to see on this, so you're going to see on almost any 68, 70 GTO you look at, front nose here has got some little cracks in that urethane bumper.
It's got one little paint blem right here too, two tiny little paint blems there. But this is something you could take to your local car show and be super proud of. I mean, it's an awesome car.
A little chip here on the nose, been touched up. Headlights look good, grille looks good, front balance looks good.
I really like that they left like the 14-inch rallies, which would have come on this car from the factory. So it gives the 68 its factory stance.
Yeah.
Also, the back of the hood, I don't know if you get that yet, the back of the hood lines up beautifully here as well. And that vintage burgundy metallic, it's got a lot of nice metallic in it, doesn't it? Laid out very nicely too.
Corner of the door fits awesome.
Yeah, really nice, and we're gonna get to this. Look how nice and clean the door is here. Door jamb paint's good. Same thing in here, did a nice job. They said everything was taken apart when it was painted.
Seats look to be original, so you have the one little seam split here on this corner. But other than that, the seat's in real nice shape here on the passenger side. Dash looks awesome. It's got a retro sound radio in there. Wood grain's in nice shape. You have a little wear right there on the top of that dash.
Corner, yep. Definitely original dash pad. Probably original door panels as well. Do you see the fade on the carpet down here? So probably the original door panels. Very well original interior except for the carpet, but they did a great job on preserving that.
Over the roof looks nice. Quarter's nice and straight.
That door fits good too, don't it?
Yeah, it does. Chad will grab the keys here for us to look in the trunk, but back bumper looks nice. Do have a little small little blem right there.
Wow, that trunk lid is perfectly rust-free as you feel your fingers along that bottom there, and the jam paint, like I said, under the hood. It's just beautiful. They carried that in with the trunk. Did a nice job in the trunk, the speckle, the paint in there. It's got the correct size kind of spare. Yep. Jacks in there as well.
Driver's side's nice and straight as well. The quarter looks good, and a lot of metallic in that burgundy, really pretty color. Back tires, you got good tread on them, which is crazy given the horsepower on this thing that somebody hasn't burned them all off yet. Over top of the roof looks good. You have a little chip or something like that right there on that quarter. Dogleg area here looks good.
Corner of the door looks awesome, doesn't it there? Mm-hmm. Here's your corner of the door, absolutely perfect. Look at that lip all the way up. Beautiful jam paint, rubbers. Again, original door panels. You can feel the carpet's just a little dried.
Yeah.
But still, not much wear on them, are they?
No, he did a nice job in the jams. Got tilt wheel, which is another great option.
And look at the quality of just the wood grain and everything on it. They did a vintage radio in it.
That fender looks good. Front of the hood sticks up a little bit through here, and that's kind of what Chad was talking about before. A lot of the GTOs seem like the hoods kind of fit that way. They're just a long hood. That air blows nice and cold.
Yeah, your dome light works too, D. Yeah, the interior is super clean. Factory tack does not work. I probably need a new tack. We've tried to get it working, so the next owner wants to get a new tack. Other than that, everything works. Horn works, but we need to check the ground on it a little bit. It doesn't beep quite
loud.
No, quite not loud enough. Wipers work. Got new blades on them. AC blows out nice and cold. We'll roll up your window, bud.
Radio sounds good.
Windows seal up great with the new quarter window rubbers, the new roof rail rubber. The windows feel up really tight to it. And with the power of this 400, you know, especially with that 5-speed and the gear ratio on it, it's just fantastic. Oil pressure is at 55 pounds. Temp gauge is still at 130. We'll let you know if that works as soon as we get it warmed up here a little bit. Start easy.
Yeah.
Shifts beautiful, first, second, third, fourth, up into fifth. Here's your brakes. You'll pull nice. Left or right. You got something in the glove box, I think, 30. But anyway, or maybe in here. Yeah. Yeah, we got an extra fuse in here. Gas gauge works as well. So does the speedometer. And the power steering is just so nice and smooth with it. We won't start from a dead stop. We'll just start with a rolling. Ready?
Yep. Give it a zap. It's wicked.
I didn't have a problem with my shift, but I had to lay out of that thing. Isn't that crazy?
No, it's got a ton of
Look at this thing, man. And just the way it goes down the road. Fourth gear just chirped them, didn't it?
Yeah.
The guy's got this thing dialed in to perfection.
Even in fifth gear just still pulls. You know, a lot of times you put a 5-speed in something, and fifth gear is just kind of a dead gear, you know?
This thing's fast as hell.
It's quick carb.
And look at her steering. Perfect alignment, perfect. Brakes, excellent. There's your high-speed braking.
If you want a fun car to drive with cold air, this is...
Yeah, and all that's where the window's up and the air's blowing cold.
Yeah, this one can get you in some trouble. It's fun.
Yeah. I'm still going to do a rolling because I'll just roast the tires off if we were sobbed.
Yeah.
Wait until that guy goes by too. Then how about the gearing in it? I mean, just like here, just really quiet inside the car with the windows sealed up really nicely. Ready? Third gear, fourth gear scratch.
It just keeps pulling.
It's 95 and fourth before I even hit fifth, and there's not a shudder, there's not a shake, there's not nothing.
No, going down the road just nice, tight, quiet.
Probably, we got a lot of great cars right now, but this is probably, for the power, the money, and the performance and the handling, the best one on the lot right now for the money.
Yeah, it's a great buy. Check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Maybe the next one is Squeal Tires in this 1968 Pontiac